There he goes with his latest victim. There's Lincoln the One-Shoe Dog with his latest victim here. He got another victim, and he's not being bothered by his brother, Gremlin Ears Leonidas. And there he is. He's a true king of the dark side of the shoes here. Lincoln, the One-Shoe Dog, is the true king of the dark side of the shoes. Where's his brother? Lincoln, give me, Lincoln, Link, give me that. Give me, come on. Give me the shoe. Give me that. Give me, come on. Lincoln has victory in his mouth. The One-Shoe Dog. He lives up to his name. But where's his brother, Gremlin Ears Leonidas? He wants to go in shame, and hide in shame. Lincoln, the One-Shoe Dog, is a true champion. He's a true champion of the dark side of the shoes. Even though Lincoln's got this one shoe here, Gremlin Ears Leonidas knows he's been defeated by the dark side of the shoes. Yes. Gremlin Ears Leonidas was defeated. What a day for the dark side of the shoes. There he hides in shame. You know you've been defeated, Gremlin Ears Leonidas. And Lincoln, the One-Shoe Dog, you prevailed. Lincoln, the One-Shoe Dog, here is your reward. Here is your reward. You should be ashamed of yourself, Gremlin Ears Leonidas. Here's the true champion. Gets his reward right there. There he goes. Again, off with his reward. He knows. He knows he's the true champion now. But what is left for Gremlin Ears Leonidas? What is left for him? Are you going to be a champion of the dark side of the shoes? Or are you coming back from the dark side of the shoes? Who knows? But you put your head down in shame, Gremlin Ears Leonidas. And there he is, a true champion, as he lays in the grass with that one shoe. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buttons McGee. Thank you, and have a great day.